Hi, so this quick tip is about scraping and grinding shelves for your kiln. Now I have two different types of kilns. I have a regular gas kiln and I also have a soda kiln. So they're going to be slightly different in the way that I approach them. But for the regular gas kiln or even electric kilns, the scraping is pretty simple and there's not so much grinding that I have to do. But if there's any glaze that drips down onto the shelf, I try and start with a just regular scraper, and I'm scraping off any excess pieces of clay. Now or glaze. I also put a kiln wash on here, and I'll give you the recipe down below in the comments. But basically, it's a protective layer that goes over the kiln shelf. I roll it on. In another video I show you how to roll it on. It should peel the glaze right up if it drips. Sometimes the glaze drips a little bit further deeper into the shelf, so you have to do some grinding. So I'll show you what I use for that. But anytime you're grinding or anytime you're creating a lot of dust with this material, definitely wear a face dust mask, wear eye protection, and then I always wear a set of heavy duty gloves just to protect all my body parts and keep me safe for many years to come. Alright, so what do I use to grind? I actually use this Bosch angle grinder, and I have a 4-inch diamond cup blade or diamond cup attachment, and I do it in a well ventilated area. So when I'm grinding, I start by turning this on and I kind of hit it at an angle, and I make sure that I remove all the extra glaze, and then I kind of slowly turn this flat and then grind it flat. After I'm done with that, I want to make sure that I wipe it clean and then I reapply the kiln wash to the surface. And so for my soda kiln, I have some more heavy duty shelving, and I think I can just kind of scrape everything off with a metal scraper. Sometimes around the edges it gets a bit crusty, so I'll scrape with my hand or with this tool here, and then I will go at it with the grinder, again wearing protection and staying in a well ventilated area. So I hope that helps with your kiln maintenance and the kiln shelves maintenance. You can find all this material and all these products on an Amazon list that I have in the description below. But thanks for watching, and I hope this helps out.